Bonjour et bienvenue à la deuxième leçon. Aujourd'hui, today, on va apprendre ou réviser, learn or revise, les numéros 1 à 31. So, on va commencer avec numéro 1, number 1. If you have a or one with a masculine noun, it's un. With a feminine, it's une. But when you're counting, just in isolation, just saying one, you say un. Number 2 is deux. Number 3 is trois. Number 4 is quatre. Number 5 is cinq. Six. Number 7 is sept. Number 8 is huit. Number 9 is neuf. And then number 10 is dix. And then we come on to 11, onze. And 12 is douze. Be very careful because lots of pupils in the past have mixed up 2, which is deux, and douze, which is 12. So be very, very careful. And if you put A-I-N-E on the end of a number and make it feminine, it means around. So une douzaine, you can hear around 12. That's how we get our word dozen. And then you have the word for 13, which is treize. In English, you've got 13, 14. I actually think it should be 3, 10, 4. It's a bit easier in English, the first few numbers. In French, as I've said, they say treize for 13, and 14 is quatorze, and 15 is quinze, and 16 is seize. But to put them together, maybe it helps a little bit if you have a bit of a rhyme, a rhythm. It's quite difficult, those numbers from 13, 14, 15, 16. So maybe if you put them together and learn onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, it helps a little bit, maybe, hopefully. Then it comes a little bit easier in French because you have 17, but you say 10, 7. So 17, 10, 7. 18 is 10, 8, 18. 19 is 10, 9, 19. And then 20 is very alcoholic because you get vin, V-I-N, the word for wine, with G and T on the end, vin. As you know, in England, things are pronounced very differently. Sometimes you have the word path or path. And that T is pronounced all the way through the 20s in some parts of France. But in, I think the purer form is vin for 20. 21 has an and in the middle, and you actually pronounce the T. You say 21, 21, 21, 20 and 1. 22 is 22. So 23 is 23. And 24 is 24, 20 and 4. 25 is 25. And then 26 is just literally 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28. And that one, the vin, you can pronounce the T on the end because the H of huit here is considered to be a vowel, so you can slide in that T. 29 is 29. And then we get to 30, which is 30. For 31, it's just the same as 21. You have an A, an and in between. 31, 31. You know now how to count up to 29, so it should be quite easy. Now you know 30 to go up to 39. So you can practice 32, 33, 34, etc. And then next week I will be teaching you the 40s, the 10s, 40, 50, 60, and the more problematic 70 and 90s. By the way, I forgot to ask you how you were. So today, aujourd'hui, comment vas-tu or comment allez-vous? If there's more than one of you, or I'm being polite, or I could just say ça va, and you could say ça va très bien or ça va bien. Just one, ça va très bien, ça va assez bien. Ça ne va pas, it's not going, ça va mal or très mal. I hope that's not the case. But thank you anyway for listening to today. Merci. Don't forget to go through the Quizlet that I'm going to send you again this week, and put any comments below this video if you've got any comments at all, any questions, anything you want to know, anything you want to ask. Just put questions underneath any comments, and I'm going to say goodbye. And before that, I'm going to just go through the normal normal sayings that people leave. They say bon courage, lots of good courage, bonne chance, good luck, bon voyage if you're going on holiday, bonne route if you're driving somewhere, bon weekend, have a good weekend, bonne semaine, have a good week. And I will say à la semaine prochaine, see you next week, à la semaine prochaine, à bientôt. Merci beaucoup, et à la semaine prochaine.